Hey guys, welcome back. I've got another easy video for all you Oreo lovers. You're going to love it. It takes about 2 minutes to make this 2 ingredient Oreo ice cream. It's so refreshing and creamy, and it's the easiest ice cream you'll ever make. For this, you need Oreos obviously, and you need heavy cream. I'm using non-dairy whipping cream. It's already sweetened, so I don't even need to add any sugar to it. I'm using my silicone ice cream mold, and I've crushed Oreos inside the packet itself, and I'm going to tear the packet and I'm going to pour the crushed Oreos inside the molds. I haven't crushed them very finely because I need some big pieces for texture, but you can crush them finely if you want a smoother texture. You can use any type of ice cream mold for this. Some people are trying out ice creams in the Oreo packet itself. You can crush the biscuits inside the packet, tear it open from one side, and then pour the cream inside and freeze it. You'll get your Oreo ice cream that way also. Just try to do that in the smaller packet because the bigger packet will create a lot of mess. Now I'm placing the ice cream sticks inside the mold. Putting them in before adding the cream, make sure that the cream doesn't flow off from the gap. You can add chopped dry fruit also at this stage if you want. So once I've put the Oreos, now is the time for our second ingredient, which is heavy cream. This is already sweetened, so I don't need to add any sugar. But if you are using unsweetened cream, you can add sugar to it before adding to the Oreos. That's it guys, this is the easiest ice cream you'll ever make. You don't need to do anything, you don't even need to whip the cream, you need to just add it directly to the Oreos, that's it. And it's super tasty, you don't need to worry about the taste at all, it's amazing. You can make this ice cream using any other biscuits also, but Oreos taste the best. So our ice cream is done, now I'm going to chill it overnight until it's completely set. And now we have it, our ice cream is set and it looks super amazing. I'm now going to demold it. Using a silicone mold makes it so much easier to demold the ice cream. If you don't have one, you can use any other ice cream mold, or you can even freeze your ice cream into a bowl. I love this mold and I got it on Amazon, you can check it out there. So there you have it, your Oreo ice cream is ready. I love how the Oreo biscuits look from the top, it's completely full of it, but if you don't want this look, you can give your ice cream a little mix before freezing it. You can have these right away, or you can take it up a notch using some melted dark chocolate. I'm going to dip my ice cream inside, but I'm not going to completely dip it. You can do that if you want. I'm simply putting it in diagonally so that my Oreo ice cream is also visible. Since the ice cream is really cold, the chocolate will set right away. So if you want to add any toppings like sprinkles or dry fruit, you can add it at this stage before the chocolate is set. You can also use milk or white chocolate, but I love how dark chocolate looks on this ice cream. It looks so tempting right now. This ice cream uses only 2 ingredients and is super tasty. And I'm very sure it's a dream come true for all the Oreo lovers out there. The only difficult part in making this ice cream is having to wait overnight for it to set completely. Otherwise, it's the easiest thing you'll ever make. I can't wait anymore, so I'm going to have a bite, and oh my god, it's amazing. You guys have to try it out. Do try it out and share your pictures with us on Facebook and Instagram. Only 2 ingredients and 2 minutes will give you the most amazing ice cream ever. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you next time.